Hi guys, happy new year and welcome to my first video of the year. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how I created this intro that you're seeing on the screen on Canva for free. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So to begin with, we're going to jump onto Google and type in Canva, and we're going to go onto the Canva website. So this is the website. If you already haven't signed up, then you can sign up at the top. And if you already have an account, then you can go ahead and log in. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. And then you're going to land up on this home page. After you land up on the home page, you want to click at the top, create a design. And then you're going to search for YouTube intro. And then that will bring us to this empty canvas that we're going to work on. So let me familiarize you with some of the features on Canva. If you're new to Canva, at the top left corner, if you click onto templates, you can find a bunch of different templates that you can customize to your own liking if you don't want to create a template from scratch, obviously. And then the next bit is where you can upload your own, let's say, pictures or whatever you want to upload. Next feature is photos, where you can find all kinds of pictures. If you're looking for a specific kind of picture, then you can always search that up. And after that, we have elements, where you can find all kinds of shapes and animated art and other really cool things. After that, we have text, where you can find a variety of different texts that you can work with. They also have some music, which I haven't actually used. You can also find some pre-made videos that you could use. The options are unlimited, and then they also have a variety of different backgrounds. So for this tutorial, the intro that I'm making includes a marble background, so I'm going to go ahead and search for a marble background. And so this is the background that I work with, so I just selected that. This is like the normal background that I just selected, but the one I used, I made it a little bit darker. So I'm going to go onto background color at the top, and I'll click onto black. So now, as you can see, it's become a bit more grayish, a little bit more darker than what it was. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to adjust the timing because it's a video. I don't want this first screen to be too long, so we're going to adjust the timing to like 3 seconds. And now we need another screen to work on for the next part of the intro. And so you can go at the top there and you can either duplicate the page or add another page. But we're going to duplicate the page so that we can keep the same background consistently. And now we're going to click onto elements in the search bar, and we're going to write sticker, and then we're going to write hello. So the reason that we're typing sticker is because we want elements that are going to move. That's why I'm writing sticker. So the hello that we're going to search for, we want it to move. The result shows a bunch of different hellos, but the one that I used is this one here. So we're just going to go ahead and select that. So bear in mind, if you want anything to move, just make sure to write sticker before the word. And now we're just going to resize the hello to, about that size. So one of the cool things that Canva has that allows you to place the element or the text in the center is when you move it side to side or up and down, and you get this guideline. As you can see, a vertical line pops up, which is just indicating you that that's in the middle, and that's what we want. So now we're going to move it up and down, and we're going to get a horizontal pink line, which is going to suggest like a center point, and that's basically telling you that the text is right in the center, and that's what we want. It just allows you to be more precise with the creation. And now we're going to go ahead at the top and we're going to click play, and this is how it looks so far. So when you're creating your own intro, you can click play at the top and you can see if it's flowing the way you want it to flow. If you want to make something more faster, something more slower, then you can come off that and you can go ahead at the top and click edit timing, and you can adjust the timing of each of the canvases to how fast you want one canvas to be and how, I don't know, slow you want the other to be. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to duplicate another page and we're going to add some text. So for this canvas, we're just going to remove the hello and we're going to go ahead to text, and we're just going to pick up add a subheading, and then we're just going to write my channel's name, which is It's Regini. And then we're going to go at the top there and we're going to select a font. So the font that I use is Czech, and this is the font that I used with this intro. And then we're just going to go ahead and adjust the font size. we want it to be 120. It's a good size for when you put it into a video and when you watch it on like full screen. It's not too big and it's not too small. And now we're just going to position the text in the center, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to duplicate another page. And as you can see, all the canvases are kind of flowing. Next, we're going to go to elements, and we're going to again type in sticker, and then you can type whatever you like, whatever you want to put on the next page as a wow factor kind of thing. So I used like a circle kind of thing. It's like a sticker basically, but I couldn't find the exact one that I used. Maybe they've removed it because I did create that like months and months ago. So for now, you have a bunch of different options that you can use from. So as you can see, you can have like all sorts of different circles. They have double circles, triple circles, and circles that are just moving about, and they're doing like all sorts of different fancy things. You can also search for sticker shapes, and you get all these different really cool looking stickers, and it just makes me really excited to like just keep creating these kind of templates. So I couldn't find the one that I used, so I'm just going to copy and paste it from that intro that I created before, and I'm going to use that here. So but obviously when you're creating your own one, and if you can't find that, just go ahead and type something, and you can go ahead and type something else, and make it your own, make it flow with your own channel. And yeah, so now we have that. And this one I found is kind of similar to the one I used. So this is just to give you like guys an idea. So now I'm just gonna adjust the sticker like in the center, and there we go, it's right in the center now. So now that's in the center, as you can see, the sticker is kind of overlapping the text, which is not cool at all. As you can see, it's literally covering the G. So what we need to do is click onto the sticker and go right at the top where you see positions. You're going to click onto positions, and then we're going to click onto backward, and what this is going to do is going to push the sticker to the back. So as you can see, it just done that. And so now the text is in the front and the sticker is like at the back. So now it can keep moving, but it's not blocking the view of the name. So now as you can see, it's perfect. And now again, for the last time, we're going to duplicate the page again, and we're going to remove the text and the sticker because we're going to add a different sticker this time. So now we want to go back to elements, and we're going to type in sticker and subscribe. You're about to just see some amazing stickers. Just look at how cute and very aesthetically pleasing these stickers are. So this is the one that I used. So now we're just going to resize the sticker, put it right in the center again. Yeah, perfect. I think that size is cool because it's not too big. And also because this sticker especially has a glitchy effect, so you don't want it to be too big that it irritates somebody's eyes. So now we're going to go back and we're going to search for sticker underline, and as you can see, it's got a lot of different kinds of underlines. So this is a specific one that I used. So I'm just going to resize it again and just put it right under where it says subscribe, because it's kind of like the highlight of the intro. And also because it just gives like a really cool vibe, and I love it so much. And I think that's kind of it. And the cool thing about this is that all the canvases are kind of separate, so you can go back and forth and you can adjust whatever you like. It's not all combined into one, so that's a really cool thing. And now we're just going to click play at the top, and voila, I think it has a really good flow, and I don't think I need to adjust anything else anymore. And yeah, I think that's perfect. I'm just double checking for the last time before I download it. So I'm just going to close that now, and we're going to go at the top where the three dots are, and then we're going to click on to download video, and then we're going to click on to MP4, and here you can see if you wanted you can download each of the pages separately, but we want the whole thing to be together as an intro. So we're going to include all the 5 pages and we're just going to download that. And after this downloads, you can easily just insert the clip into your YouTube video. And obviously if you want to add more effects, you can break the clips down or just download them as, you know, individual clips, and you can add more effects to them. So this is the intro that I created on Canva for free. So that is it for this video. Give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.